Today we are inspo tripping in the Maldives, an island I traveled to recently for my 1-year anniversary, and it was magnificent. Maldives really is the best place on earth and home to a breathtaking combo of sun, sand, and the sea. Definitely the most unique place to stay, insane snorkeling, mind-blowing scenery, and delicious food. So one particular dish that we had, which was cooked to perfection, was crispy fish cakes. Now I'm gonna make a crispy fish cake burger. So my version of that deliciousness that we had in the Maldives. Not particularly a Maldivian recipe, it was just done really well in the Maldives, and I wanna recreate it for you guys so you can make it at home, and it's gonna be unbelievably delicious. There's also another fish cake recipe that I did a while ago that you can click on if you want to just make fish cakes. Otherwise, let's make crispy burgers. Okay, so these are looking good. And like the thing with like cooking, especially island inspired cooking, is that it should be so simple and it should be like invigorating, and like the smells and the stuff, just everything makes you like feel fresh and zesty and limey, and like you could pretend you're on an island or something, I don't know. But that for me is what this recipe should do. The secret to these fish burgers is this. Vermicelli noodles, good old Summin, whatever you can buy from your supermarket. I'm just gonna pop some boiling water on them, which the kettle's just boiled, and let them soak up the hot water. While that sort of hangs out and sucks up all that moisture, I'm gonna talk to you about what we're gonna put inside the burger. So we've got brioche buns, which we're gonna butter up and toast, because you can't eat a burger without a toasted buttered bun, right? Then we're going to put this monster on. Slice these, pop it onto our burger buns, and it's just gonna be like this massive chunk of tomato. Then we're gonna put all sorts of greens and dress it with this. This is a sweet chili dressing which I've made, and you can pop onto my Instagram now to check out the recipe on how to do this. It's amazing. And then we're gonna pop on maybe some more chili. Don't know if that's your buzz. And lastly, possibly some of this goodness right there. Oh yeah. That is a peanut dressing which I made, and I'll post that recipe up on Instagram a little bit later on, otherwise definitely on the website. Peanut butter deliciousness. Okay, these oaks are, look at that. Look at the change in that. Soft and tender. We're just gonna dump out that water. Okie dokie. Amazing. That is going to turn into crunchy magic. Okay, so while those do their thing in the oven, we're going to toast our buns. First pop a lot of butter on it, then toast them. Then we're going to slice up this monster, and then we are going to dress our greens. I've literally got a bunch of greens in the fridge, and I'm gonna pop that amazing dressing on it, that like sweet chili vibe. Okay, those greens we're gonna chuck in this bowl over here. Let's toast our buns in half. The one thing I definitely could not live without, butter. There you go, lots and lots of it. I'm trying to think if there's any other recipes on the website that you can go and have a look at that might be similar to this. Ooh, some yummy comfort food. I have a lasagna. You're gonna like it. Ooh, let's suss out these guys. Awesome. Now, to assemble. Check it out, colourful and fresh, just like the island I visited in the Maldives. Oh my goodness. Do I have an idea of how I'm gonna eat this? 0. Does it matter? No. Let's try. Okay. Crunchy. Cheers to island vibes. Yummy. So, heaven, right here. No, I'm not gonna say that. Okay, now I've talked the hind leg of a donkey. What word do I want to use for this? Soft and tender, like my heart.